That's the fucking problem. When you compare yourself to people who have less than you, the ones struggling just to survive, you lose motivation. Because you look around and tell yourself, at least I have a roof over my head. At least I can afford food. At least I'm not homeless. You start accepting an average life, and that kind of thinking is poison. But let me ask you this. Did you wake up this morning fired up about your life? Overexcited? Are you obsessed with your vision so much that you actually pisses you off that you're not there yet? Or are you just drifting around making excuses, letting another day slip by like it doesn't fucking matter? If that's you, then listen up, because I'm about to show you how to snap out of it and rewire your brain for massive success. Step number 1, you need a new normal. When I was stuck in that basement working a dead-end job, I started asking myself, what if I could actually live like them?